Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let me first of all thank the organizer who took over as the Director General of PICO and put a new soul in this almost dying institution. He came and worked extremely hard and brought it back to an excellent dynamic structure. And then Professor Sanawal Najan started these various academic meetings. We invite all these giants, and all these people benefit from it. And let me quote Einstein. He said that I don't teach people, I create an environment for learning. Now, one sit down and say, what does he mean by this environment? So another thinker came out and said, well, you have to have three things in order to succeed in life. And those three things are three S's. Number one, you have to have a seat, a special seat, where you can then grow up and start shining and giving all kind of fruits. But seed is not enough. You also need a soil for that. I know he's trying to talk about that environment. So he said that you get a soil and you see, you had the seed, the backbencher, you went through the soil of primary school, high school, and then the FEC, and in FEC there was a major test, and you passed that yes, you have those special seeds, and then you came and you did MBBS, and then you still had those special seeds, and now you are a postgraduate, and then there would be subspecialization. There is no end to it. But there is a third S, and that is the sunshine. And the sunshine you saw this morning. An excellent academic environment was created. A lot of giants of ophthalmology came to you. We thank them from the depth of our hearts. And each one of us is now carrying messages. And there is a stimulus where I need to know more about the OCT and geography. And then if I do, I think I need to make use of it for the sake of the patient. So the advantage of all this will ultimately go to your practice, where you will make, this is a very special session on investigations in ophthalmology, a very special session. But why it is so important? Because you take history, you do the examination, you suspect the disease, and then you know the necessary investigation, and you make a diagnosis. And only then you can prescribe the correct treatment, and only then you will get the correct results. So we had an excellent first part of the session. We expect that the second session will be as interesting as this one. Let me thank all our guests, very distinguished guests, for coming here and giving us an advantage to listen to them, to learn from them, and so that we also get equipped with this latest knowledge of investigation in ophthalmology, and then give the necessary benefits to the patient. Thank you very much.